All right, so today's project is basically taking everything apart, taking everything off the exterior that I possibly can, taking the inside of the house apart so I can access a whole bunch of screws that are through bolted and whatnot. Basically access and getting a clean slate for all this stuff. So let's flip this camera around here. So basically I'm gonna take all this overhead wood out so that I can access some screws going through the house top. I'm gonna take the blinds off. I think I'm gonna leave this stuff for now just because it makes it look nice. These handrails can stay, but I'm gonna take the outriggers off. I'm gonna take these off if I can get to them. Debatable. We'll see. Let's see. I took most of the port light hardware out already. There really isn't that much left. Just handrails, trim pieces. Gonna take this top trim rail off and get this ready to prep. Do some filler work, do some fairing work, possibly paint it, and get it looking pretty nice. We'll attack this deck at some point, but probably not right now. I'd like to lift that up, take some degreaser, blow it into all those, and prep it with some bilge paint or something. Bilge coat, epoxy, barrier coat, I don't know what, but we'll figure that out. Here we go. All right, so it's the end of demo day, and we've got the top there totally ripped down. Got every screw out of the equation. The bead board on both sides is gone. And let's go out here. So outside is stripped of all the trim and the handles. Got all the miscellaneous screws taken out. It's been sanded down. I took a little razor knife, got off all the caulk, all the good stuff there, all the adhesive, all the way down through. Front handles have been taken out. There's only holes now. It's not too bad. Sanded down some miscellaneous things right down in here earlier. And yeah, it is the same all the way around. We've got a whole bunch of garbage down here on the decks, but it's no biggie. Looks pretty good, nice and flat. Hit it with 220 grit sandpaper, and it's looking good. Can start to fill all these holes, fair them out, and then it's gonna be really looking sharp. And that's it.